Welcome to How Logical, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching BIGO Live series part 9. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change background in BIGO Live application. For that, open your BIGO Live application. Below you will see various icons there. Click on that little camera icon. Then you will be guided to the page where you can stream lives here. To change the background, first you need to make sure your camera is turned off. If not, turn off your camera by clicking on that little camera icon shown in the video. Then it will ask you to confirm. Click on that confirm icon to continue. Now click on that color palette icon in the right corner below. Once you click on that icon, you will find different types of backgrounds here. You can select any one of these backgrounds whatever you want. By simply clicking on that little images, you can easily change your background. So this is how you change background in BIGO Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.